This is a 4-year-old gelding heel horse that they brought. Little stockier built, not near as tall, but really got a wide chest, good hip on him. Cute little head. Got good feet, good straight legs. This is the 4-year-old gelding. It's really broke and really rain broke. Rides around really nice. Kind of a catty or more quicker footed style horse. Got a good stop. Really broke in the sides, like really broke to leg pressure. And neck reign's about as good as any of them. This is Blaze, the 4-year-old gelding heel horse. He's a pretty good horse. He's got a lot of run, really tracks the cow pretty good. Gets a little excited in the box, nothing scary. Just likes to move his feet a little bit. But all around, pretty user-friendly, likes to really chase down a cow, got plenty of speed and has a cool feel. Got a really good stop. All around just a pretty good user horse.